Now that we're done with the core parts of the sound engine, let's add some functionality for convenience sake. We want to move through the pattern with right and left arrow keys as well. These if condition blocks are exception handlings for the large gaps between our channels. Okay, I mean a file loader should be part of the core concept as well, right? So let's add that. At first the GUI part. We define the conditions of our mouse click to start the load file function. Now let's make the file loader. Please note that I'm actually using text files for storing our music data. So we basically load an ASCII based text file, read all tokens and interpret these tokens and write them into the audio commands pointer. A pretty simple task. If you have Windows related CRT warnings with regards to the fopen instruction, click the link in the description below how to ignore the CRT warning by making some settings in the preprocessor. Windows recommends you to use their version of fopen, so you can either ignore that or use fopen S or scanf, that depends on you. I just ignored it. When we load a new song, we're setting our pattern display to default values. I should remove that part though, since you can't make the decision for now to cancel the process. The program will stop to work when you misspelled the song you want to load from your program folder. We create a while loop that fills our audio commands pointer. Please take note that the value 26 or 0x1a doesn't exist anymore, since Windows recognizes that value as stopped to read beyond that point instruction. So I substituted that value by the unused number 123. So when we're reading the number 123, the command will be written back into the audio commands pointer as value 26, which is exclusively used for a time vector of that length in rows. That's it, we're done. The song is written into our audio commands pointer. What we have to do now is to load the pattern nominator array that tells the synthesizer which patterns it should play in which order, and of course the wavetable preset that we will load bit for bit. I made a mistake in the process input function. Let's correct it. Now we can proceed to create the graphical part of the load button. We will display the white highlighting and hide the cursor when we're close to that button. Okay, let's see if we can load a song. I prepared a song and added it to the program folder. It loaded the wavetable preset successfully.